Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your blocks pink in Block Blast. First, open the Block Blast app on your phone or tablet. Once inside the game, look for the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Within these options, you will find a replay button. Tapping this button repeatedly will cycle through various block color schemes. Keep tapping until your blocks turn a lovely shade of pink. It's a bit random, but it works. Another excellent way to achieve pink blocks involves using your device's accessibility settings. Start by opening your phone's main settings. From there, find and select accessibility, then proceed to display and text size. You'll see an option for color filters. Turn this feature on and choose the red/green filter. This clever trick will make any red blocks in Block Blast appear pink, giving you a personalized visual experience. Remember, you can always turn this filter off later. To ensure you have access to all possible customization options, it is important to keep your Block Blast application updated. Developers often release new versions that include fresh features, bug fixes, and sometimes even new themes or color choices. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Play Store or App Store, and check for any pending updates for Block Blast. Installing the latest version can sometimes reveal new ways to get those vibrant pink blocks you're looking for. Beyond the direct methods, you can also explore other customization avenues. Some versions of Block Blast might have dedicated themes or personalization sections within their settings, where you could potentially purchase or unlock pink themes. Additionally, engaging with the game's online community, perhaps on forums or social media, can reveal unique user-shared tips or even unofficial methods. While third-party tools exist, always exercise caution and prioritize official in-game options for the safest and most enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.